Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. So my client sent me this picture of a wig that she wanted me to make, and I did come through for my girl. It's going to be a real simple install today because it's a closure unit, a glueless, and it didn't, require a lot. However, I did went ahead and I braided her hair as she requested. She requested for her hairline to be cornrowed down separately due to the fact that she sewed down her wigs whenever she's wearing like a frontal wig. But the wig we're installing today didn't need to be tacked down or glued down because it's a closure glueless wig and it fits real snug and nice. finally, we're done with this cornrow process, and this is the end result, guys. Nice and, you know, neat. Not too fine as she requested, but, you know, good enough for install. And then we throw this wig cap on, you know, just to have a smooth surface to work with. Then we're going to lay these baby hair down with our Gots to Be gel, you know, just so we have the edges are slick and looking good, you know, neat and tidy. Yeah. We're just gonna go in with our brush, you know, and brush them in so they're laid down and they stay laid. Yes, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and install that wig. Yeah, she's so excited. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah, guys, as I said before, it's a closure wig, glueless. It doesn't require any glue, and she didn't want any baby hair, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut that lace. I'm just combing, you know, the hair down so it looks good. It was already flat iron. She just wanted it straight, a blunt cut, so I just flat iron it as straight as possible. And I'm just going in now with my scissors to remove the excess lace from the front. And yeah, baby, look at that. We're just going in with the hot comb to lay those, you know, those flyaways down. Ensure that everything is neat and nice and slick. She didn't want any baby hair, so it's just gonna be a simple, straight bob, blunt cut bob. You know, nothing much to it. She just wanted something real simple that she can deal with, because she doesn't think that she could recreate the baby hairs if I should had baby hairs. So she just wanted it real simple, something that she could just throw on and go. And that's exactly what I gave her. Yeah, baby, yeah. So I'm just gonna go over it again a little bit with the flat iron just to make sure everything is flat and, you know, laid. So yeah, guys, if you're wondering, this wig is a custom made unit. It's a machine sewn unit made by me. Closure bob. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. She really loved it, and I'm so happy that she did. This is what I work and strive for, you know, for my clients to be happy. Guys, look at the picture at the front she sent me and what I did, and let me know in the comments what you think, if I came through for her. Look at that hair, look at the body, stiff wear, look at it, thin wear, body. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Guys, thanks for joining. See you again next time. Love you. Look at those lashes, guys. Look at them. Don't sleep on us. Don't do it. O'Shea's House of Beauty for all your wigs, bundle, lash needs. Check us out, guys. O'Shea's House of Beauty.com.